What's up, guys? So, I just sit down a while ago and put some food together when me take picture of and videos. Tell me in the comment section below if you think so I can help myself. If you think so I can cook. Okay? Because I grew up with my granny and she teach me well. So me know so I can help myself. Me not gonna say me a bad chef, but me know so I can help myself. So tell me in the comment section below what you think. Give me. Me know some of the motor go run water, but you no lie. You tell me if you no motor run water. So right here we have stewed peas with pig steel, curry goat, rice and peas, and vegetables. So this is the real Jamaican curry goat. Can't beat that. Everybody loves curry goat. We all love it. We have curry chicken, stewed chicken. Stewed chicken. Already. Right here we have the good old fried chicken. Look what we got here. Zoom in on the turn corn meal. Turn corn meal with gungo, saltfish, season up, and steamed fish with okra. Some lettuce on the side. Lava.
You know, sir, if me didn't know, sir, so food nice, me da born a long time. So I could have eaten enough more food already.
Look at Obi going with another morning now. Turn corn meal with steamed fish and okra. Turn corn meal having green gungo, saltfish, season up with scallion and thyme and coconut milk. Mad. Zoom in on it there. Yep. Guys, week after week, months after months, it's hard for me to spoil a curry goat because I get so used to cooking it. It's just a simple thing to do because I love cooking it. It's an oxtail. It's like I can't spoil those two meat at all. Curry goat and oxtail. I have it locked. In this dish, we have fried chicken, curry goat, and vegetable. This is fried fish with escovitch on it. Prawn stew fish. Up and about. I believe now that cooking make me happy because if I feel sad and I decide to I will just get up and cook up a storm. If I feel down or depressed, cooking bring me joy. I love to cook. So I'm cooking up a storm. This is some of my celebrity barbecue chicken, guys. This is jerk chicken. In this sandwich, we have bread, lettuce, tomato, egg, cheese, and turkey. Guys, this is delicious. And I buttered the bread. Oh my God. This chicken is the best. Oh my God, so delicious. Delicious. Shrimp fried rice. And this is a seafood mix. Shrimp and salmon. Salmon, shrimp, mixed vegetable rice, lettuce, tomato, avocado, and some bell peppers. The good old salmon and shrimp. Curry goat rice and peas with a piece of barbecue chicken, fish, chicken. This is ackee and saltfish, Jamaican national dish, fritters and saltfish, Guys, this is delicious. Before and after. This is some fried fritters. Yes, babe. And what we cooking up over here? Some tin mackerel. What me I do? Tin mackerel. When they buy it on the TV when me see it advertise. When they buy it on the TV when me see it advertise. So this is ackee and sausage with dumpling and covering. Right here we have salt mackerel with dumpling, yam and banana.